Hello there, this is Loisa, and welcome to Cap'n Fix Budget. Hello there, welcome to another cash stuffing video. And ito pa rin yung setup natin. Meron na akong static na calculator. And then, ito pa rin yung cash budget binder natin. I guess this 4 years na ata to sa akin. Or 3 years mahigit, ganun. So, I'm still sticking on this binders kasi wala pa rin talaga akong nakikita na damage sa kanya. So, basically, ito yung pinaka main binder ko where I cash stuff. And then, ito naman yung sa variable expenses kasi I consider this my on-the-go wallet. Nandito yung mga need ko when I go out. Mostly talaga is yung mga nasa variable expenses ko like food, groceries, ganun, toiletries. So, set aside muna natin to kasi we will be cash stuffing this binder first. So, let's start cash stuffing. Kunin natin yung money na ika-cash stuff natin. Nilalagay ko always dito sa income na cash envelopes. So, we have also coins. Hindi talaga siya maiiwasan. May coins at may coins talaga in as much as I don't like to have coins. So, ito yung ika-cash stuff natin ngayon. So, let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 50 times 6. Then, set aside natin dito sa taas. Next is the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Diba? Wait, Lord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 30 pieces. So 3,000 pesos. Medyo untidy lang yung mga nakuha nating bills ngayon, but we'll just make do of what is available. Next, we have 200 bill. And then we have 1, 2, 3. So that's 1,500. Range muna natin. Kasi for sure may mauusi talaga watching this. But I'm sorry, I'm just trying my best. So, how about the thousands? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, plus 5,000 pesos. And ito lahat. Ang total nito coins is 200. So, hindi ko na lang yan ika-count. Ito, basta 200 to siya. So, a total of 10,200 pesos. So, let's begin. we'll have our creative business. So, ito palang cash stuffing natin is naka-base dito sa na budget planner ko that we have budget together the last time. So, if you haven't watched it, I'll have it here para makita nyo naman yung whole video at paano ko siya binudget or allocate my income. So, sa creative business, we have 1,000 pesos. Next is yung debt payment. Debt payment will have 1,280 pesos. So, got 50. I have coins. So, we have 1,250, 60, 70, and 80 pesos. Unfortunately, meron talagang coins, but hindi ko rin naman to dadalhin yung pinaka-binder. So, I am not worried na baka mahulog siya kasi mahuhulog talaga yung coins. So, next is emergency fund. We will not be allocating that for this pay period. And hindi rin yung MP2, yung government contribution, yung celebrations, wala din yung holidays, tsaka yung health. So, this year, I will revamp my categories kasi as you may see, marami talaga akong mga categories na hindi ko talaga siya realistically naka-cash stuff. So, I'll just trim them down to the very basics and then just update it once na mas malaki na yung income ko because I cannot have them all na ma-cash stuff. I just focus on what is necessary for now. So, next, yung utilities natin, which includes the Wi-Fi, electric, tapos yung laundry. Ito yung mga nasa utilities natin. So, sa utilities, we have 700 sa Wi-Fi, tapos 2,000 naman sa electricity and 400 sa laundry. So, we have 3,100 pesos. So, we have 1,000, 2,300, tapos 100 pesos. 3,100 pesos. Yan yung sa utilities. I'm contemplating baka ipag-isa-isa ko sila, like individual ng mga anong tawag dito, cash envelopes in the future. Tapos sa variable expense naman natin, we have 500 sa personal, 1,000 sa 500 sa personal, 1,000 for food, 1,000 for groceries, and 820 naman for our toiletries. So, the total is 3,320 pesos. So, okay. Gagamitin natin tong hundreds. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 3,100 pesos. Okay. So, ito na lang gagamitin natin. So, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 70. Hindi rin siya aabot. So, I'll just get the 20 pesos. Ayan. So, kukunin natin to. So, we have 3,000. Ay, hindi talaga siya makakasya, be. Wait. So, balik natin to. So, ayan. So, we have 2,000, then 500, 1,000. So, we have 3,000 na here. Tapos, kasya kayang 300 dito. 100, 250, 60, 70, 90, 100, and 20, right? So we have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 100, 200, 300, and 20. So ito talaga din yung disadvantage kung medyo maliliit yung denominations. But it would be useful for me kasi gagastusin naman rin tong pera na to, and alam mo na pag namimili lagi ka talagang hinahanapan ng maliliit na bills. So yan, so punong-puno na talaga siya, but ito transfer naman natin to sa variable natin na cash envelopes. I mean variable budget binder natin. So next is yung sinking funds. We have 1,000, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So sinking fund natin is 1,000 pesos. And last but not the least is yung sinking funds. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 400. And but hindi ata nagkasya, be. Saan ako nagkulang? So, i-check ko muna kung saan ako na confused kasi kulang siya ng 100 ko. Supposed to be yung challenge, savings challenge is 500. I just have to figure it out offline kasi hindi ko rin talaga ma-figure out ngayon bakit kulang siya ng 100 at marami pa siyang coins. So, I don't have enough time to figure it out na naka-video kasi yung storage ko is limited lang, tapos naghahabol din ako ng oras. So I don't know, it's very uneventful yung ending nitong video na to, but thank you for being here. Thank you for cash stuffing with me, and hope to see you when I cash stuff my variable expenses. Bye bye.